hear my rant?
Yes, rant.
Okay.
Away.
My rant. Because of what just happened back there. I don't understand.
Well, you're from Ohio. There's a lot of things you don't understand.
Hush. I don't understand why on little roads like this, it's the little cars that try to run you off the road.
Okay.
The big vehicles give you more room than anything else. You got plenty of room. Doesn't matter what you're driving. Big vehicles, two big vehicles, pass on the road at speed, no problem. Doesn't matter what you're driving, you got a little car coming at you, they're going to try to put you in the ditch. First lady we passed coming out, we're on the boat, by the way, if anybody wonders why it's even really an issue. But we're hauling a boat. So
Catch the earlier video where we took the boat off the water.
yeah, but we're putting it back on. They did some updates to the dock, so we had to take it off for a while.
You mean marina?
Marina, yeah. Marinas are docks. They're native docks. Anyway,
I'm a dock.
that's a completely different rant.
I'm a dock, sort of.
Oh yeah, whatever. You're a drug doc.
Doctor-ish.
Doctor-ish. But yeah, you've got, we're in the truck, so we're hauling the boat. So as cars are coming at us, or vehicles are coming at us, we're getting over, to the edge of the road as safe as you can when hauling a boat.
How about hauling at Jacoby?
Yeah, I saw that. We passed Jacoby. But you get over as far as you can when hauling a boat because you don't want to put the boat in the ditch. But you also understand you got a pretty significant trailer behind you, so you want to get over as far as you can for them. The people in the cars try to run into you, run over you. People in the bigger vehicles, the SUVs, the trucks, not a problem. That little road that we lived on that you just caught a glimpse at the end of it, doesn't matter what I'm driving. I could be driving the truck, I've driven the Land Rover, whatever it is, doesn't matter which one it is. Some of them are a little bit wider than your average car, but I drive it, and me and the UPS truck pass all the time. Not a problem. We pass at speed.
It's okay.
Me and the ups man. Doesn't matter the vehicle. Pass at speed, no problem. Little car comes at me, tries to put you in the ditch. Every time. Doesn't matter what little car it is either. They're always trying to put you in the ditch. I don't know if it's, like the Chihuahua syndrome. They think they're big and bad in their little car. So they got to compensate for the fact that they're big and bad. I don't know, but
If you would like to see our other videos, make sure you subscribe to this one, or this channel.
yeah.
And if you don't like this channel, subscribe to my channel, which is the other channel.
Yeah.
It's better.
Right.
Well, I at least put an effort into it. You find me on this one.
Alright guys, we may show you putting the boat in the water here in a little bit, but we'll let you go because you probably don't want to just see the random trip up there.